let's check on my chicks. And this is proof, no matter how old you are or what you're doing, anything is possible. I'm very proud and excited that I could get these chickens to 3 weeks. This is what a 3-week chicken looks like. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
A brand new day, a brand new start. No more fear gonna hold me down. I'm rising up, I'm standing my ground. Every challenge that comes my way is building strength for a
So it's in the morning, I'm about to go to school. Let's check on my 1-year-old chicks.
Through every storm I keep my faith. I know my time will not be late. I won't give up, I won't quit. Every fall just makes me fit to be the best that I can be. My future's calling out to me. Life is what you make it, so dream big and go chase it.
Hey guys, welcome back. So right now I'm just arriving from school. So today I came a bit late, but yeah, it's okay. Let me just check up on my chickens.
I walked through fire, felt the rain, carry dreams inside the pain. Every fall just made me rise. Now the truth is in my eyes. No more fear, no looking back. Every scar lights up my track. Shining bright, standing strong in every fight. No more shadows, I see clear my time, my voice, my moments. Here I'm a winner, hear me say, nothing's gonna block my way. I am a winner. Broken roads I used to know turned to strength that helped me grow. Every doubt has lost its sound. Now my feet are on the ground. Step by step I claim my name. Through the storm, through the flame, I am a winner. Shining bright, standing strong in every fight. No more shadows, I see clear my time, my voice, my moments. Here I'm a winner, hear me say,
So what I'm getting right now is for the food wash process, the food bath. The water that I'm getting is for the food bath.
I woke up in the silence of a brand new day. Shadows tried to hold me, but I pulled away. Yeah. Every scar's a story, every tear survived. Through the darkest night, I learned I'm still alive. I was falling, breaking, losing all the light, but something in my heartbeat wouldn't say goodbye. I am alive, I can feel the fire inside my veins. No more hiding in the pouring rain. I'm rising up, gonna touch the sky tonight. I survived the storm, I found my way. Every breath is one more chance to say, I'm not afraid, I was born to fight.
Where'd you get these lines, from your father? Yo, where was your father staying when you were seeing?
As you can see, this is what a 3-week chicken looks like. You can see it's become big, it's growing feathers. Yes, I'm very proud and excited that I could get these chickens to 3 weeks.
Yeah, now the chains are broken, hear the freedom cry. I can see the future shining in my eyes. From the ashes, from the dust, I'm standing tall. I was lost, but now I hear my call.